Another question of exercise 3.4, page number 56, question number 2. Form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find solutions by the elimination method. So we are having the 5 parts of the question. Going to start with the first one. The first one we are having, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So first of all, we are going to let the fraction. I'm going to write here. Let the fraction x by y. Now, as per the first statement, we have to add 1 to the numerator and we have to subtract 1 from the denominator. Then the fraction we are having is equal to the 1. This one we are having is equation number 1. And the second one we are having, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So we have to add only 1 to the denominator. So the fraction will be 1 by 2. Now this one we are having is the equation number 2. Now first of all we will simplify equation number 1, then we will simplify the equation number 2. So we are going to cross multiply this one. This one we are having x plus 1 is equal to the y minus 1. Now we are having x minus y is equal to the minus 1 and minus 2. X minus y is equal to the minus 2. This one we are having is the equation number 1. Now when I simplify this one, we will cross multiply. 2x is equal to the y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to the 1. This one we are having is equation number 2. Now we are having the equation number 1 and 2. In this one, the variable y we are having as equal to each other, so we don't have to equal the variable x. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to directly subtract it. I'm going to write here subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So equation number 2 we are having is the 2x minus y as equal to the 1, and equation number 1 having the x minus y as equal to the minus 2. Now I want to change the signs we are having here. Now plus minus cancelled. Here plus minus minus will have x, and this one we are having 1 and 2 plus. This one will have as equal to the 3. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 3. Now I'm going to put this one in any of the equations. So I'm going to write here putting the value of x in equation 1. So equation number 1 we are having x minus y as equal to the minus 2. The value of x we are having is the 3. 3 minus y is equal to the minus 2. Minus y is equal to the minus 2. When we transpose this to here, this one we are having minus 3. So minus y is equal to the minus minus plus, and then minus. This one we are having 5. So value of y we are having as equal to the 5. So value of y we are having is the 5, and the value of x we are having is the as equal to the 3. Now we have to find the fraction. So the fraction we are having is the x5 by y, and the value of x we are having is the 3, and the y we are having is the 5. So the fraction we are having is the 3 by 5. This one we are having is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. This one we are having 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be the thrice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So first of all, we are going to let the present age of Noori. So I'm going to write here, let present age of Noori as equal to the x, then age of Sonu will have as equal to the 1. Now 5 years ago, we have to find the age 5 years ago. I'm going to write here 5 years ago. First of all, we have to find the Noori's age. So this one will have x minus 5, and Sonu's age will be x minus 5. This one we are having is the age 5 years ago. Now as per this statement, 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So Sonu we are having is the y minus 5. So Noori is x minus 5, and the Noori is thrice as old as Sonu. So the thrice of Sonu we are having is the 3 multiplied by y minus 5. Now I'm going to simplify this one. We are having the x minus 5 is equal to the 3y minus 5 3s are 15. Now x minus 3y is equal to the minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y we are having as equal to the minus 10. This one we are having is the equation number 1. Now comes to the next statement. This one we are having 10 years later. So first of all, we will write here 10 years later. First of all, we have to find the Noori's age. This one will be the x plus 10, and the Sonu's age will be y plus 10. Now as per the statement, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So Noori is twice as old as Sonu. And simplify this one, x plus 10, 2y plus 20, x minus, we will transpose y here, this will be x minus 2y, here we are having 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y we are having as equal to the 10. This one we are having is equation number 2. Now the variables of the x we are having as equal to the each other. The coefficient of the x we are having is the 1 here, and here also we are having is the 1. So both of them we are having as equal to the each other. So now we don't have to find the equation by multiplying, we must subtract these. So I write here subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So equation number 2 we are having is the x minus 2y as equal to the 10, and equation number 1 we are having x minus 3y as equal to the minus 10. Now we are going to change these signs we are having. Now plus minus cancel. Now plus minus we are having, here we are having is the y, plus minus minus y, and this one we are having plus and plus, so we will have 20. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 20. Now I am going to put this one in any of the equation we are having. I am going to write here putting the value of y in equation 1. So the equation number 1 we are having is the x minus 3y as equal to the minus 10. Now x minus 3 multiply y we are having is the 20 is equal to the minus 10 here. X minus 3 2s are 6, 60 is equal to the minus 10. Now x is equal to the minus 10 plus 60. Now plus minus minus, this will be the 50. So the value of x we are having is the 50, and the value of y we are having is the 20. Now we have let the Noori's age as equal to the x, so this one we are having is the 50, and the Sonu's age we are having as equal to the 20. I'm going to write the statement here. Hence, Noori and Sonu's age are, so the Noori's age we are having is the 50 year, and Sonu's age we are having is the 20 years. So this one we are having is the equation number 2. Now comes to the equation number 3. Now comes to the part 3. The sum of digit of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Find the number. So we have to find the number. First of all, we are going to let the number. We are going to write here. Let the number, then the number will have the ones digit and the tens digit. So we will let the digit, let the number of ones digit. So the ones digit we are having as equal to the x. I am going to let this one as equal to the x. Then the tens digit will have is equal to the 10, because this is the tens digit multiplied by y. So this one we will have is the 10y. Now as per the statement, the sum of digit of 2-digit number is 9. So the ones digit we are having is the x, and the tens digit we have taken as the y. So we add them, then we are having as equal to the 9. This one we are having is the equation number 1. Now 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So now we have to reverse the order of the digit. Now the digit we are having is this one. This is the digit we are having. The digit will have the 10y plus x. This is the digit we are having. Now we have to reverse this one. So if we reverse, then we'll have 10x plus y. This becomes the tens digit and this becomes the ones digit we are having. Now this is the reverse we are having. Now we have told that if we 9 times this number is, so 9 times of this number we are having is the 9 multiplied by the number we are having is the 10y plus x. This one we are having obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So this number is twice the number. So first of all twice the number when we reverse this one. So the reverse we are having is the 10x plus y. This one we are having, now I'm going to simplify this one. This one we are having is the 90y plus 9x and 20x plus 2y. Now this one we are having 9x minus 2y and here we are having is 20x minus 90y. So this one we are having plus minus minus. We have 2 transpose like digit 9x minus 20x and this one we are having is the 2y minus 90y. Now we are having the 90x minus 20x, this one we are having is equal to the minus 11x and here we are having the 2x minus 90y, so we will have is the minus 88y. Now we will transfer this one here, minus 11x plus 88y, this one we are having as equal to the 0. So this one we are having is the equation number 2 here. So I'm going to write here. Now here we are having is x plus y as equal to the 9. Here we are having is the minus 11x plus 88y. We have to solve this one by the elimination method. I'm going to write here x plus y as equal to the 9 and this one we are having minus 11x plus 88y is equal to the 0. Now we want to multiply each other by the coefficient of the x we are having. We will multiply this one by the minus 11, the whole equation, and here we will multiply by the coefficient of the equation number 1 of the x we are having is the 1. Now we are having is the minus 11x, the plus minus minus 11y is equal to the minus 99. This one we are having is the equation number 3. Now comes the equation number 4. This one we are minus 11x plus 88y is equal to the 0. This one we are having is equation number 4. Now I'm going to subtract this one. I'm going to write here subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. So equation number 4 and equation number 3 we are having is the 11x minus 11y is equal to the minus 99. Here we are having minus 11x plus 88y as equal to the 0. We are going to change the signs we are having here. So plus minus cancel. Here minus and minus plus we have minus 99y and here we are having is the minus 99. Now minus is cancelled from minus, y is equal to the 99 divided by 99. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 1. Now I'm going to put this one in the any of the original equation we are having. I'm going to take the equation number 1 here. So I'm going to write here putting the value of y in equation 1. So the equation number 1 we are having is the x plus y as equal to the 9. So we are having is the x plus 1 as equal to the 9. X is equal to the 9 minus 1. The value of x we are having as equal to the 8. So now we have to find the number first. So the number we are having is the digit is the 10y plus x. So 10 multiplied by y we are having is the 1 plus x we are having is the 8. So this one we are having 10 plus 8 is equal to the 18. So the digit we are having is the 18. So I'm going to write here hence required number is 8. This one we are having is the part 3.